So I'm Prashanth Panduranga. I work for SwissRe. I play the role of head of technology, head of information technology in Bangalore. So overall India operations come to me. Microsoft was always on the cards, and then we had a engagement with Microsoft, and we brought them in to kind of do an assessment of our entire landscape and make that a strategic partner. So as part of that Microsoft assessment, they recommended Cast Highlight as part of the assessment phase. Right. So now we are going through the first phase of the assessment, and we are running all our applications through Cast. And a follow-up assessment with Microsoft. So Microsoft will leverage the output from the Cast Highlight and then add their additional recommendations on which platform services to use and provide us with that input. That becomes our solution driver, and once we have that solution, we will be able to create a roadmap for our cloud journey. The problem arises when we go through mergers, acquisitions and all of that, and then legacy applications which are on physical servers, and it is really distributed. Right? Now, creating that global CMDB is very important. A lot of CIOs take that proactive step to kind of put together a global CMDB, which kind of integrates quite a lot of these things. I've been part of enterprises with a very strong enterprise architecture in place, which looks at enterprise architecture tools as well to kind of put that things together. In my view, this decade is all going to be about automation. Right? So end to end, from the left to the right, most CIOs will target automating everything. So if we are using Excel, Access, DBs or any applications which are kind of disconnected in this pipeline, then we will not be able to automate that process. Right? So plugging into this pipeline will become very important. And that's where we will have to find tools which really enable us to kind of integrate that. And that's where Cast Highlight also comes in now, that you can integrate that in the pipeline as well. Where I feel Cast Highlight is bringing a lot of value is really that I don't need to really enforce my team to kind of say, put all this documentation together. Right? It is helping me kind of understand all of that and bubbling that information already. Right? So be it security vulnerabilities, be it code complexity, be it quality of code or thing, I can transparently go through those applications and see how my code is behaving actually. That's a phenomenal use case actually, right? If there's one single tool which actually helps me understand my coding practices and then bubble that information up all the way to the portfolio level, it's very beneficial. That's where I feel Cast Highlight is starting to add a lot of value there.